In my experience, coming to Pakistan and doing an internship in this country really gives you a unique experience. Pakistan is very special, now even more special to me, because there are several reasons. First, there is not one Pakistan. If I, for example, compare it to Switzerland, we are kind of a homogeneous society, compared at least to Pakistan. In Pakistan, there are so many sub-societies. All people I talk to, most people, they are from different societal classes. I talk to very rich people, to average people, middle class people, and they all live in their different worlds. It's nothing in common between these worlds, and sometimes they don't even know these words. So it's very exciting to get to know such a complex kind of culture. Then obviously also the different regions and cities and everything gives you a very powerful experience, whether you're here in Karachi or in Lahore or Islamabad. Everywhere it's different. Then another thing that just amazed me were the people. The people are so warm, they are so welcoming and so much fun to be with. And I mean, Pakistan, what can I say, it is the country of truck drivers, Pathan truck drivers, who love their cars so much that they spend half of their income on decorating it and making it beautiful to look like. I will really miss these trucks when I go back to Pakistan. So Pakistan is a country that amazes you. Nothing will, I think, will remind you of your home country. So definitely take this experience and come to Pakistan.